guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick easy DIY on how to do your own Z palettes. Most people know what a Z palette is. It's one of those palettes that open up and you have the magnetics in it. I own one actual Z palette and that is the one from my BoxyCharm. Got it in my BoxyCharm and that is it. But I thought it would be a really good idea to figure out how to make a bit of a Z palette just for those people that can't afford a $20 to $30 palette. Sure, you can buy them online for cheaper, but they're usually about $14 anyway. So I have made 5 so far. I don't think anyone needs that many unless you have a massive amount of makeup and things like that. Alright, so this is one of the ones that I've made, and just open it up, and I just dropped out eyeshadows. That's beautiful. And that is what it looks like in here. This one was with the duct tape fabric, so this one's actually fabric duct tape, so it's sticky on the back. And they made this cute one here, and this one is got little donuts on it, and I super love this one. And then, so this one, I had a little bit of a trouble getting it to stay closed. Instead of using magnet, I actually used some of my sewing stuff and I just used Velcro. And then, so that is what that looks like inside. And this one was using duct tape from the dollar store. And then I have this one here. So you can really use any kind of material that you want. And I have this one. This is one of my favorite ones. This is the Tarte packaging with the unicorns on it, if you can see. I literally just duct taped this and then I used clear tape over top of the Tarte tissue paper. And then, so that is what it looks like. Yes, I can see it here and that doesn't bother me. But this was a journal actually that I made this out of. So that's why it looks like this, but this I think was really cute. So then there's one like this too. So this is my Minions, and this one's got a bit of bling on it. And then I didn't want to wrap this one up. I wanted to keep the felt like this. And then of course there's the eyeshadow. That's the one I'm actually wearing right now. Anyway, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and make sure you're clicking on that little bell so you're getting the notifications of when my DIYs and my makeup videos are coming out. Alright, if you want to see how I made these fun makeup palettes, just keep watching.
Ganja smoking, they got rum in me cup. Bad gals wind up on the dance floor. All the gals wind up on the dance floor. Ganja smoking, they got